Hello everyone, my name is Asisipho Mbingeleli and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, we'll be answering this digestive system, or we can call it nutrition question from a previous Life Sciences national question paper. Remember guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button. It is free. It's more like following someone on Instagram or TikTok. You don't have to pay anything. Please also like the video guys, just to show support, and share the link with your classmates, your schoolmates, and your friends so that they can also watch the video and get to understand these concepts and how to answer questions so that they can obviously feel ready for their test and exams. So you came across this video for a reason. Please do watch till the end, because there is no miracle that you're going to get in watching the video for 3 seconds. It's about me explaining the questions to you, and also giving you the correct answers and guiding you through everything. So please do watch up until the end. All right. The end products of digestion are monomers that are easily absorbed. Monomers are basically building blocks, right? So building blocks they're going to ask us in the question, so let me not mention. Review the given line diagram of the villus and answer the questions that follow. Give the name of the monomers or the monomer, right? And give the letter where it is absorbed in the villus for each of the following macromolecules. Remember, during digestion, guys, we break down these large insoluble molecules into smaller soluble substances. So lipids are macromolecules, and we digest or break them down into glycerol and fatty acids. Right? So the monomers for lipids, it's glycerol and fatty acids. If you want to be specific, the monomers will be 3 glycerol and fatty acids. Now the letter of where the fatty acids and glycerols are going to be absorbed is letter C. Correct? That's it. Letter and the name of the monomer. For carbohydrates, the monomer will be monosaccharides or glucose. So the most correct one is glucose, but if you said monosaccharides, that's also fine, and the letter will be A. All right. Then let's look at this question. Due to this particular disease, Crohn's disease, the villus in the small intestine becomes reduced in size and it is eventually flattened. Briefly discuss how the Crohn's disease will affect the nutrition and lifestyle of an individual. Now, let's remember the function of the small intestine. The small intestine surface area is increased to basically ensure maximum reabsorption of substances. And when these substances are reabsorbed, they are reabsorbed into the blood, guys. So they will need to be reabsorbed into the blood so that they can be transported to all our cells in order for our cells to undergo cellular respiration and have energy to function. Now, what we're basically seeing here is if a person has this disease, because the size of the small intestine is reduced and it is flat, that will reduce the surface area, guys. And if the surface area is reduced, that means there will be less nutrients absorbed. That means there will be less nutrients received by the cells. That means the cells will not be able to function accordingly or effectively. So that is basically what is happening for 4 marks. Okay, so that means there will be a smaller surface area because it's reduced in size, right? Smaller surface area for the reabsorption of nutrient monomers due to smaller surface area for the reabsorption of nutrient monomers. We can even say there will be less absorption than you specify of glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and your AA is amino acids, guys. You write it in full. Fatty acids and glycerol to the blood. Okay, sorry about that. So the individual will not be able to sustain its nutritional needs. So because of less absorption, that means the cells are receiving less nutrients. Okay, the individual's body will not be able to sustain nutritional needs. So what does that mean? A person may get tired more often because there's less nutrients, less energy. So person gets tired more often, leading to health complications. And this would lead to health complications. All right, that's it, guys.